Timer, begin. So you press Effect, Generate, and CC Light Burst 2.5. Now you'll immediately see this looks like transitions in music videos, and transitions if you ever have a lot of light or illumination throughout your shot. The center can be moved like this, I'd recommend, because you can't actually see your center point when you slide the X and Y sliders. So let's say I move my center here, you'll see the entire shot get stretched that direction. You can also have these amazing keyframes where at 1 second it's there, and then at the next second the center point is moved to here. And then you'll actually make your entire shot look like it's moving. And that's just really impactful because that makes the entire shot look as if it was moving and it could be a still shot. So we're going to go back and get rid of those keyframes and put the center back where it was. The next thing is the intensity, which I can turn down to 0 and you'll see lowers the brightness. Intensity changes the actual amount of luminance in the shot, and ray length changes how intense that fade is. Now I'm going to move that to 0 for example. So at 0 seconds, I'm going to put the intensity very high, put a keyframe there, and make the ray length a simple 25. Put a keyframe there as well. Now at the 1 second mark, I'm going to get rid of the ray length and get rid of the intensity. And now you'll see this looks like the exact transition someone like Cole Bennett would use from Lyrical Lemonade. So imagine a bass drop or a loud sound happening, and then the entire shot gets transferred to a new scene and a new frame. This is perfect for music videos, and this is actually what the professionals use when they're making these awesome effects that really captivate and hold your attention. Like always, press Effect, Generate, and CC Light Burst 2.5 and try this for yourself.